Introducing the 2023 Pharma Innovation Award winners. Here at Pharma Manufacturing, we think it's important to honor the commitment and dedication of pharma equipment and technology providers as they tirelessly work to improve and evolve their products. This year's roster of Pharma Innovation Award winners comprises 13 outstanding products and technologies meticulously selected by our editorial team and panel of industry experts. You can look forward to a comprehensive coverage of these awards in Pharma Manufacturing's upcoming November issue. Data management. Effective data management practices play a pivotal role in upholding the utmost standards in drug manufacturing, encompassing tasks such as guaranteeing product safety and effectiveness, as well as successfully maneuvering through intricate global regulatory demands. Here are our awardees in the data management category. Multi-Enterprise Information Network Tower by TraceLink, enhancing supply chain visibility. DoseMe Analytics by DoseMe, leading the way in pharma dosage optimization. Cell and gene therapies. Cell and gene therapies offer a groundbreaking approach to disease management, potentially transforming the way patients are treated in the future. But the promise of cell and gene therapies relies on pharma manufacturers' capacity to deliver these life-saving medications to patients in a safe, efficient, and cost-effective manner. The winners in the cell and gene category are FormSight AI by FormBio, advancing pharmaceutical formulation development. The Gibco CTS DynaSelect magnetic separation system by Thermo Fisher Scientific, setting new standards in separation technology. Moving on to plant operations, where a once overlooked area of pharma manufacturing is now proving to be a prime place to capture efficiencies and cost savings. Our awardee in this category is Sophie's Digital Services by Xylem, providing cutting-edge solutions for water management. Packaging and inspection. Pharma packaging and inspection are crucial components of the industry, directly ensuring drug safety, efficacy, and quality. The winners in the packaging and inspection category are the Eagle LP Blister Machine by Maruho Hatsujo Innovations, MHI, transforming blister packaging. Transparent Recyclable Mid-Barrier Blister Package by Techniplex Healthcare, promoting sustainability. Mavis Combi by Stevanato, offering advanced performance, flexibility, and speed to enhance visual inspection. As biologics continue to rise, and deep cold medications such as mRNA-based therapies or cell and gene therapies, so does the demand for cold chain specialized handling, containment, and delivery systems. The winners in this category are helping to address the complexities of managing temperature-controlled facilities and transportation. Ross PFTU XL by Single Use Support, pioneering plate-based bulk freezing and thawing. Shot Topac Freeze by Shot Pharma, redefining freeze-drying solutions. Process development and scale-up. Moving drug products from the laboratory to commercial production is one of the most vexing tasks in the pharma industry. As scale increases, regulatory compliance becomes more intricate, demanding robust quality control methods to identify variations and defects. The winners in this category are CleanCap M6 Analog by TreeLink Biotechnologies, a game changer in mRNA capping. Particle Sentry AI software by Sentry Sciences, a breakthrough in particle analysis. Flow Innova continuous manufacturing platform by Quotient Sciences, helping to streamline the scale-up process for early-phase API development. You can explore these award-winning products and technologies in detail in Pharma Manufacturing's November 2023 issue. Thank you for joining us in celebrating these leaders in pharma equipment and technology. Congratulations to all the winners, and here's to a future filled with groundbreaking advancements across the pharmaceutical industry.